How to remove formatting in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily and simply remove the formatting from any text in your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample Microsoft Word document right here, and some of the text have been formatted before. So let me show you how you can remove the formatting styles from this particular text. So in order to remove the formatting style from this particular text, you will need to select the particular text from which you want to remove the formatting style, like I have done in this tutorial. So once you have selected the text, you need to right click onto this particular text, and from here you can see this styles option. So simply click onto this styles option, and it will give you some options of different types of styles. Now one such option is this second option at the bottom that says clear formatting. Clear or formatting, this will remove all formatting from the selection, leaving only the normal unformatted text. So simply click onto this clear formatting button, and here you can see that this particular text has been successfully unformatted to its original form or original version. So that's how easily you can remove the formatting from any text in Microsoft Office Word. So that was all for this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. If you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.